This tutorial shows you how to explore any location at street level directly through the Google Maps app on your Android device. First, open the Google Maps app on your Android device. After that, search for any location or address you want to explore in the search bar at the top. From there, tap on the location to drop a pin on the map. At this point, you'll see an information panel appear at the bottom of the screen with details about the location. In the next step, look for a small square thumbnail photo at the bottom left corner of the map. This is the Street View preview. Following this, tap on the thumbnail photo to enter Street View for that location. Once done, you'll be dropped right into a 360-degree street-level view of the location. From here, swipe left, right, up, or down on the screen to look around in any direction. At this stage, tap on the arrows on the ground to move forward or navigate along the street. After this, pinch in or out on the screen to zoom in or zoom out as you explore the area. Once completed, if you want to jump to a different spot, tap on the map thumbnail at the bottom corner and drag the orange figure to any other location on the map. Finally, tap the X at the top left corner whenever you want to exit Street View and go back to the regular map view. And that's it. If this Google Maps guide helped you explore locations using Street View, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.